morning, ladies and gentlemen. I will present to you our paper with the title Solution for Battery Charging by Providing an Optimum Angle of Solar Panel During Monsoon Season. Allow me to present our presentation. Our research is done in Batam. Batam is one of those islands in Indonesia, located not so far from Singapore, around 20 kilometers, and routinely affected by the west and the east monsoon. During the west monsoon, that bring the heavy rain and storm, the traditional fishermen do not dare go to sea, and their family needs depend on the result of fishing trap in Bagan that located not far from their house. In the photo on the left, this is the Bagan, and the middle, this is the lighting system located in the middle of the Bagan. The fishing trap is supported by light fishing that you can see in the middle to attract plankton to move toward where the movement of plankton will be followed by small fish. This eventually trigger the big fish to move toward the light to devour the small fish, which they end up on the trap area in Bagan. This is the passive fishing that we call light fishing method. The source of energy used by traditional fishermen 1 year ago is using kerosene or diesel oil that is flammable and prone to spill. Now it's been replaced by solar energy that more environmental friendly. Using solar power system as a source of energy, now the traditional fishermen in Batam face a new problem that is no enough electricity current during the monsoon season due to presence of waterlogged layer on the top of solar panel, which affect on the best performance of battery charging generated by solar panel. Of course, the absence of the electricity due to a minimum charging limit has not been reached will affect on the number of fish being catch harvested in the Bagan fishing trap that using light fishing as a method. This research studied the ability to drain water on the top of solar panel and speed up the drying on the surface, which affect the effectiveness of battery charging and increase the capacity of absorption on the solar heat radiation. This is our study that we done in our institution. This is our diagram block of the research. The first step, we identify the problem facing by fishermen. We conclude that not enough electricity current during the monsoon season is the major issue that they need to be solved. We translate this need in the design of equipment. We did prototyping, testing, make adjustment and correction of the component to be real represented the situation in the Bagan light fishing. If everything was okay, we did the data collection, data retrieval of battery charging. We did analysis and conclusion that we will present it in few minutes. This is our team and also our equipment. Our major equipment is 5 components. The first is monocrystalline solar panel, 100 watt. The second is intelligent solar charge controller. The third, power inverter. The fourth is battery. The fifth is the plastic film coating. We use 2 with the level of darkness 40% and 80%. The flow chart of our system, the solar panel on or standby condition. We apply on the top of solar panel 3 types of coating. The first type we use the level of darkness 40%. The second we use the level of darkness 80%, and the third we didn't apply the coating. So every type of coating we did the variation of inclination angle of solar panel. There are 3 positions. Position 1 we call -10 degree, is directed to the east relative the horizontal plane. The second position is we call 0, and this is the horizontal or water level position. And the position 3 we call +10. This is orientation to the west relative to the plane horizontal. So every type of the coating we did 3 position angle of solar panel. So 3, 3, 3, it means 9. Every type of coating with 3 position angle, we did 5 measurement. So every, for example, every coating type 1 with position angle 1, we did 5 measurement. So we collecting the data. We did analysis as conclusion as per below. So we take the data. So the first step we do comparison on the sunny day and rainy day. We conclude here that during the sunny day, the effectiveness, the battery charging is 80% higher than rainy day, because of course there is no waterlock layer on the top solar panel, but during the rainy day there is a waterlock layer that cover the surface of the solar panel, become coating. That's make the process of decomposition ion, which eventually turn into the electric current in the solar panel by photoradiation is not optimal. This is detailed data of our research. You can see on the table, we make a variation on the coating. We did also the variation on the angle, -10, 0, and +10. We can see from the table that the additional of back coating film on the surface of solar panel with various darkness level product in the market had to drain the waterlock on the top of solar panel, but it still has reduced the formal of charging speed. Solar heat radiation has been detained by black plastic film. Can be seen by increasing temperature in the surface of the solar panel. The solar radiation is not transmitted to the solar cell, so it is reflected in the form of heat, and the charging performance become less and less efficient by increasing level of darkness and thickness of the plastic film. So this is another research how to make the coating plastic film is compatible with the solar cell or the solar power energy. This is the data special for the angle, inclination angle of the solar panel. We can make the analysis that the selection of the angle, and this is the important thing, should be done by the fishermen in Batam. During the data collection, at the time, the sun position relative to the equator is moved to the south. So the maximum radiation occurs when the sun is tilted to the west. We call it +10. The charging performance has been shown from the table that the position of the solar panel with 10-degree inclination angle to the face relative to the horizontal plane, we call +10, is a better performance compared with horizontal position 0 and the tilted position to the east or -10 degree. So based on the data, we can do a conclusion that the water layer on the top of solar panel will slow down the charging of the battery. Even in the first condition, when rainfall lasts all day, the current is not enough to turn on the light through the night. So, of course, the light fishing in Bakan will be failed. The provision, the second conclusion, the provision of the plastic film coating or specific product expected as a catalytic medium to accelerate the drainage of the waterlogged layer on the top of solar panel actually hamper the performance of battery charging. So the performance is not been expected. The last conclusion that the solar panel with 10-degree inclination angle to the west relative to the horizontal position, we call it +10 as optimum performance. Thank you very much.